Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm a woodworker growing a small YouTube channel, small business out of my detached one-car garage here next to my house. Today I'm going to do a bit of a different kind of video. I thought I'd talk you through kind of my journey for the last 14 months or so since I started posting videos on YouTube, since I started kind of treating this as a serious, I'll call it a side hustle for now, but it's a dream I've got to kind of work myself into a retirement, business retirement from my corporate career. My background's in IT, it's kind of what I've done for my whole life, and it's great. I get to play with technology, work for a great company, get to work on some pretty cool stuff, but at the end of the day, there's nothing like building things with your hands, and I really find this pursuit has been pretty awesome for me. It allows me to work on some pretty cool projects, to build things with my hands, to see stuff. It allows me to combine kind of my love for building things with my love for technology, cameras and video, and I've always been passionate about photography. I've always loved kind of that aspect of it. I love the gear, I love the tools, both on the photography, videography side, on the construction, woodworking side. And I have to say, this has really just been an eye-opening, call it 14 months for me. I posted my first YouTube video, which I don't have published now. It's me making a cup of coffee maybe 5 years ago or so, and I kind of did nothing. From then, I always loved the idea of having a YouTube channel, but have never really been able to work through the confidence or I think it's the confidence, the willingness to put myself out there. It's just so embarrassing. If I go back and look, even in 14 months, at some of the videos I did right at the beginning, they're just awful. It's just bad audio, just so nervous and so uncomfortable. And not that I've kind of got that piece figured out, but I still struggle with that. I still struggle with ideas and motivation to do stuff. And like I said, I got a full-time job, I got wife, kids, family, house projects, trying to go on vacation, got a dog, mountain biking. Trying to fit everything in is a real struggle, a real challenge. And my family's super supportive, try to be pretty diligent in how I carve out my time. But yeah, I mean, not to dwell on that too much, but just want to say that this is it's been awesome. I'm really enjoying where this journey has taken me and is taking me. And just want to say, for anybody out there that's kind of in the similar situation, be it on the woodworking side, on the videography, on the YouTube side, on the ability to express myself creatively has been just amazing for me. It's not without its stress. I'm struggling with getting projects turned around, with kind of keeping everything in line. It's not a stress-free endeavor, but when I take a step back and look at kind of where I've come over the last year, it's pretty cool. I've done a bunch of stuff I didn't think I'd be able to do. I've officially launched a business. I've posted a bunch of videos to YouTube. I've kind of worked through some balance issues between work, life, other work. It's really been awesome. And if I take a step back, like I said, and just look at this journey, it really has been cool. It's, I don't know. I get to really just work on stuff that I find super impactful. And the regular corporate career work is great, but I've done it for 20 some years. It's often just more of the same, and I'm not begrudging that or taking away from that. It's just I'm kind of trying to work through defining what the next chapter of my life is going to be and where I'm going and where I want to go. And I went through a lot with COVID. I went from working full-time in the office to full-time at home for a bunch of years. Now back full-time in the office during the kind of corporate day job. And there is no perfect answer. I think I like the aspects of being at home. I like being able to express myself. I like being able to balance, see my kids, do more of that. But I also like the interaction with grown-ups and being able to interact with people daily and not just be alone. So I don't know what the perfect answer is here, kind of where I'm headed, but I do know that this has been an awesome journey. One of the things as I mentioned, one of the things I've really struggled with is just starting with YouTube specifically, with the woodworking stuff as well. But just start, put yourself out there, build some stuff, see what lands, record a video, put it out there, see what lands. And honestly, my channel's small. I think I have, when I'm recording this, 2,500 subscribers. Grateful for every person who tunes in, grateful for every person who watches and provides feedback, some positive, some negative, whatever. I can handle it. I don't have all the answers. I love to hear what I'm doing wrong as well as what I'm doing right, and kind of hear what resonates. But But just getting over the hurdle of starting something is my real takeaway here. And I really think that if you guys can take one thing away from this video, it's that you just need to start and see where it goes. Nobody cares. I've been super, I'll call it embarrassed about people finding my channel, finding out the videos I'm recording, but everybody's so wrapped up in their day and in their day-to-day priorities and struggles and stresses that nobody cares what anybody else is doing. It's an opportunity to, like I said, express myself. And a good friend of mine said, when I kind of talked about being embarrassed about it, he said, well, what would you say if I started a channel? I'm like, well, that would be super cool. He said, well, there you go. And you know, it's just good perspective, right? That everybody's got these things they want to do, and everybody's got these inhibitions for kind of exploring the path they want to do and for figuring out what that is. And life is really short, and you get stuck in the grind where every day is the same, and being able to add something in there to just really kind of mix things up and to explore a different aspect of yourself and just to kind of take some control back over the journey that we're all on. And you know, every day is kind of like Groundhog Day for the vast majority of us, and just being able to add something, add a little bit of spice to the day. And you know, like I said, it doesn't come without its stresses, but I have to say this has been it's been a great year for me. 2024 in a lot of ways on the personal side was one of the most stressful, most challenging years. I added a whole lot of pressure with this stuff onto myself, but when I kind of peel myself out of the day-to-day, I wouldn't change it. It's, you know, you take a step back and you look back kind of on things from a higher level, you try to change your perspective and extract yourself from that day-to-day. This has been just amazing. I've built some amazing things. I put out some cool videos. From my perspective, you know, you guys can let me know definitely what you think about them. But it's been awesome. It's been hard. It's been awesome. And I look forward to another great year of just doing more stuff, working more at finding balance and figuring what that balance is. We haven't really taken a solid family vacation in a few years, so being able to, you know, take some time to spend with the family, to get out of town, to do that and figure out what this next chapter is going to be and kind of when that starts. Excited for that. Just want to say thank you all for watching this, for watching other videos. I don't know if anybody's actually going to watch this video, but if there's anything I can say, take a risk. Do the stuff you want to do, whether it's learn to play the drums, learn to sing, start a YouTube channel, start a business, do the thing you want to do, because life's too short to not do the things you want to do. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Lots more stuff coming this year, so stay tuned, subscribe, like. Thanks again. Have a great day.